Good afternoon or good morning, depending on where you're watching us from. It could be good evening as well. So we have this question. Mostly on our platform, we concentrate on questions that are derived from the Examination Council of Zambia's exams. Okay. But these mathematics in Zambia is the same mathematics in Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ghana, Kenya, and beyond the continent. All right. On that, most of the questions that we have or that we solve are aligned with the Zambian syllabus. Yeah. So we have a question here. Yeah. For those of the people that are in Zambia, and you may want individualized lessons, we have this number that you may contact. Okay. Sorry, this is 67 here. 673809. It could be better if you text on WhatsApp. If this one does not go through, you can do 0978 56 58 and 76. Yeah, mostly for those that are in Zambia. If you are in Zimbabwe and you feel like we have the same stuff, I think most of the Zimbabwean syllabus, we have the same material. So straight to the question now. In the following diagram, P, Q, and R are 3 points on level ground. The bearing of P from Q, is 280 degrees. Angle QPR is 72. And R is due south of what? Of Q. Okay, so meaning here we have a straight line from Q to R. Meaning here we have a straight line from Q to R. From Q here to R down there. This is a straight line. I think that is what is meant there. So we could get that as a clue. So as you may know, all right, as you may know, at this point now, you know that this is an angle on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Okay, this is an angle on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. All right. So now, what about this one that is inside here? We just have to subtract 228 minus 180. We are going to get 48. So this angle here is 48. So as you can see now, we have, and going by the rules of alternate angles, this angle here is 48. We can as well say this one here is 48. Okay. For the purpose of this one, I'm just finding all the angles even before I go to the questions. If you may want to find this one, you could as well just subtract these two angles from 180 here. Minus, you will say 180 minus 48 minus 72. Meaning this one here is going to be 60. Because the three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So now let us come to the question. What are we supposed to find? We are supposed to find the bearing of Q from P. The bearing of Q from P is actually going to be this one here. This bearing here. This is what it is going to be here. And this is already done. We have already done this, and our answer is going to be 048 degrees, because we focus on the three-figure bearing. So the first one, this is what we're going to have as our answer. What about the last one, which is find the bearing of P? The bearing of P from R. The bearing of P from R, ladies and gentlemen, it is going to be this one here. This is what is going to be the bearing of what? The bearing of P from R. So how we are going to do this one, you know that a complete 10 is 360. So from the complete 10, we have 68. So this one here, which is the angle, it will be 360 degrees minus 68 degrees. What are we going to get? All right, 300 minus 68. This is going to give us 292 degrees. And this is what is going to be our answer. Okay, this is what is going to be our answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you like this, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much once again.